Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, replacement cartridge series, printer ink. Okay, so printer cartridges. This is the 63 XL. Not going to open it until I use it, so yeah. The black and color, and it has install instructions. Okay, and something here. It's loose. It's a plug maybe. Okay, so that's it. If you're interested in this ink cartridge set, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.